how are you going to compare a person who has millions and millions of subscribers to yourself? It's good to take bits and pieces on what makes them them, and then use that and learn from it. Started on a YouTube channel. No fancy gear, no gatekeeping. Listen and tune in. Now, if you're brand new to YouTube or you've been overthinking it for way too long, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the exact same steps you need to start a YouTube channel. From picking a niche to what equipment you actually need and how to upload that first video. Trust me, you don't need to be perfect to start. I've helped many different people on how to consistently grow on YouTube. And these are some steps on how to achieve that. Picking a niche. First things first, you need a direction of where to go. A niche is basically what your channel is about. And no, it doesn't have to be super specific on day one. Just ask yourself some simple questions. What do you enjoy doing? What do people already ask me for help with? And what are some things you can talk about for the next 20 videos without forcing it? There's obviously, the general niches that some other YouTubers have gone with. Lifestyle, daily routine, gaming, music, creative content, tutorials, how-to videos, endless supplies, story times, opinions. The thing is, with a beginner YouTube channel, you can always evolve later. Your first niche does not have to be your forever niche. Once you decide on what you post, there's your one niche. Starting with equipment. What do you actually need? Let's just clear this up right now. You don't need all the gadget, go gadget, boo boo, RoboCop. For beginners, the real thing is just minimum. A phone, webcam, a quiet space, decent lighting, clear audio. Just the simple basics. If you can upgrade one thing first, upgrade your audio. People will forgive a bad video, but not bad sound. But don't let gear stop you. The best camera is the one you already have. It fits right in your pocket, by the way. Like I said, you don't need much for starting gear. Creating your first video. This is where most people get stuck, so pay attention. Your first video does not need to be perfect. It just needs to exist. As long as you got that idea in your head, you can formulate what you want to do. You can also put it on paper. Put it outside to the real world. Here are easy first video ideas. My first YouTube video. Why I started YouTube. What this channel will be about. A tutorial, a tip, maybe a montage if you're gaming, music. All it is just one idea to just put it out there. Talk like you're just talking to one person, not the internet. And yes, yeah, it might feel a little awkward, but it is what it is. No? Anyways, creating your first video should just be simple. Now, basic video structure. Every good YouTube video has the same basic structure. A hook, intro, main content, outro, and the call to action. It's very simple. Don't overcomplicate it. Once you have those specific points on your YouTube video, whether you're editing it or you're just doing the video one way through, keep in mind you just keep it simple and you should be good to go. Now, with the hook, you do want to grab attention within the first 5-10 seconds. something that's eye-catching that can pique the viewer's interest. The intro. Tell them what the video is about. What are they doing in that video? Why should they watch this video after seeing this hook? Main content. That's the deliver value. That's the main purpose of the video. You already got the hook down. You already got the intro down. Now it's just, what do you have to bring to the table? After delivering that main content is the outro, plus the call to action. Near the end of the video, you can either set different parameters, whether via YouTube or your editing software, to add whether you want your logo to show yourself or to promote anything other than what's in that video. A call to action. Uploading and thumbnails. When you upload, focus on 3 things. Now, when you upload, those 3 things can be title, thumbnail, and description. The title should stand out in front of others. So one thing I like to do is having all cap titles. That's a thing you can do. Stand out in front of other YouTube videos. A thumbnail. The thumbnail should be clear and emotional. Faces are very good for the YouTube algorithm. Different facial expressions also are very good. Bold text works. The bigger, the better. But do not overcomplicate it. And your description. The description helps YouTube understand what the video is about. This is for the back end when you push that YouTube video out. YouTube will try its best to understand your video and push it to the correct category. Now, getting started as a YouTuber, it's going to take consistency and a different mindset. The part where nobody wants to hear or nobody really wants to talk about, but needs to happen. You probably won't blow up right away, and that's okay. What you want to focus on is getting better at each video, learning what works and what does not work, posting consistently, once per day, once a week, that's fine. It's good to have a set schedule and get into the rhythm of that. That way you could put your videos out there consistently and the algorithm can start picking up your YouTube channel, showing it to other people who might not see your average YouTube videos per day. Now, it's not good to compare your chapter 1 to another person's chapter 10. How are you going to compare a person who has millions and millions of subscribers to yourself? It's good to take bits and pieces on what makes them them, and then use that and learn from it. But it's good to have consistency and mindset. If you've been waiting for a sign to start YouTube, this is it. Drop a comment. Tell me what kind of channel you want to start. I'll actually read them. And if this video helped you, hit that like, subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next one.